Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to check your reading history on the Everand application. But first of all, I just want to mention, please don't forget to subscribe to our channel, because at 100,000 subscribers we are going to show you all YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your device. That's the home screen, and if you want to check your reading history, go to the lower bar, click to the saved button, and here in the upper bar on the screen, go to the last button, the history, and you can find your reading history. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.